You guys have been seen me before talking about TikTok ads, YouTube automation or editing or ranting about various problems in my life. But other than just worst things, today I'll introduce you to myself, who I am and who I want to be.
दोस्तों कैमरा जस्टिस नहीं कर रहा, लगता है कैमरा खराब हो गया है।
So I started my journey as a editor in 2021. That's what people think. So I started as a YouTuber first, making roast video inspired from the famous underrated YouTuber, who still is underrated.
At that time, he didn't have enough resources, so he bought a phone from his parents and started making videos. But just like everyone else, things didn't go as planned, so he started doing a job.
The job paid me 5,000 rupees a month with a no off day, and I can't continue that. So I started grinding by myself and started doing my freelance thing. As the things continue, I started growing and making some money. I found something to hold the camera. Now it's looking good. And today I make decent amount from editing, and my current aim is to hit a 10k mark and a good physique. Talking about the good part, I lived in a small 1 BHK flat which I have to pay 16k each month, excluding electricity, excluding Wi-Fi, excluding water, excluding my food, excluding my petrol, etc. And I know according to some people it's very cheap, but bro, in India, not in India, paying that much amount by myself isn't normal in my age. That's what I heard from people. By the way, the clips you are seeing are from Kedarnath, one of the holiest places in India. It is believed that when the Pandavas come here in search of Lord Shiva, he didn't wish to meet them and hide himself by merging into the earth. And today, the Kedarnath temple stands right above that spot.
हमारा भाई 22 किलोमीटर ट्रैक बिना कोई शिकायत के चले जा रहा है। यहाँ लोगों का कुत्ता होना पड़ा है। भाई 22 किलोमीटर 22 और चल दूंगा, इतनी जाने थी थी मैं।
और यहाँ रो रहे हैं बच्चे सब। Today I work on TikTok ads, UGC videos, YouTube shorts. Basically, I edit short form content. And now talking about my love life. I have a beast PC, a KTM Duke 200. People call it Chapri, I call it mine. For nearly 400 years, the temple remained buried under the snow and ice. Years and years, people came here to see the glimpse of Lord Shiva. But in 2013, a flood destroyed almost everything. But the Kedarnath temple miraculously survived, protected by a massive rock. That rock now named as Bhimshila. Also, I love to go on bike rides, but I can't go regular because I don't have enough time. Because I have to pay 16k each month. There's so much more to say about Kedarnath. Its history is deep and full of spiritual wonder. The temple itself remains closed for 6 months every year due to the harsh winter and reopen for 6 months when the snow clears. The 16-kilometer trek to reach Kedarnath is no less than a once-in-a-lifetime experience. It was brutal, beautiful and totally worth it, but the journey is filled with soul-stirring moments. Kedarnath truly is a golden gem of Uttarakhand and of India.
So guys, अब हम पहुंच चुके हैं केदारनाथ मंदिर। ऐसा कुछ यहाँ का व्यू है और बहुत शानदार मज़े आ रहे हैं अभी तो। और अभी तो मैं सीख ही रहा हूँ कैमरा चलाना। आज देखेंगे इसके फुल टेस्टिंग होगी कि इसकी।
Talking about my future things or what I have to follow in future, I have to make videos as much as possible. I love to make videos, but I procrastinate so much. Firstly, I have to grow my editing thing. I have to improve my skill. I have to make my agency a little bit more higher. So I have to make it bigger. Also, I let you know like my wife. My wife is like a hard working man. I'm like super workaholic. I have to work always. I have to work always. So today I haven't slept, so I started recording this video. Literally, I love to work. I love to connect with people who have a dream to make something big, something creative, something special, something that matters. Fitness is very important in my life and I inspired from many peoples like Saket, Dion. You said Saket, I heard discipline. This year I have to make videos, I have to make money, I have to travel, I have to do every possible thing in this world. I'll continue making videos. Hopefully you liked it or someone liked it or maybe not. But yeah, I'll continue making videos. Also, the upcoming videos are in Hindi because that's my comfort language, that's my tongue language, that's my mother tongue. I don't want to continue it in English because it's my personal life. I have to document it clearly and I want to fully document it. My English is not fluent, but yeah, enough to tell you the story or enough to dictate what I'm doing. I'm gonna make it in Hindi. I love to. Okay, bye.